Good morning, guys. Today, let us have our discussion on U-tube manometer. U-tube manometer is a device which is used to measure the pressure inside a vessel or a pipe. Okay. Why the name is U-tube is the shape of this tube or the shape of this device is in the shape of U. That is the reason why we will call it as U-tube manometer. So this U-tube manometer is used to measure the pressure inside any pipe, either within which any fluid is flowing. If you want to measure the pressure inside this pipe within which some fluid is flowing, then we will connect this U-tube manometer to this pipe. Okay, this U-tube manometer, as you can observe, it has two limbs here. This is the first limb and second limb, and one limb is connected to this pipe within which I need to measure the pressure of this fluid, and another limb is open to the atmosphere. And you can also observe here some hatched portion here. This is nothing but mercury, manometric fluid. So this U-tube is filled with manometric fluid, and one limb is open to atmosphere and another limb is connected to pipe within which I need to measure the pressure of the fluid. When this limb is connected to this pipe which is having a fluid flow, and this fluid which is flowing inside this pipe will push this mercury. When this fluid will push this mercury, then this height of the mercury will change. Height of the mercury means difference in these positions. This is the one position and second position of the mercury. And this difference in the height of the mercury will change when this fluid exerts the pressure on this. This difference in the height of the mercury will be utilized to measure the pressure of the fluid inside this pipe. And how to use this difference in the height is, we know the standard formula, that is P equal to rho into G into H. Pressure at any point due to a fluid is equal to density into gravitational constant G into height of the particular fluid. And change in the height of this mercury fluid we need to take to calculate the pressure of this fluid in the vessel. So we know the formula P equal to rho into G into H. So rho is density of this mercury, G is 9.8 gravitational constant, and height is the difference in the height of the mercury which is due to this fluid which is flowing within this pipe. So this is how the U-tube manometer works. And same explanation is given here. It is a device which is used to measure the pressure inside a pipe or vessel. It has two limbs, of which one limb is connected to the inside, which the pressure is to be measured, and the other limb is open to atmosphere. The fluid used inside the tube is known as manometric fluid. Manometric fluid may be water or mercury or oil, but in this case I have used manometer.